Open up your MTT. We're going to do a quiz over solving and checking two-step equations. First question that we're going to ask is the variable on the left? He is. Is he first? He's not. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to add a line and change the sign to make it an addition problem so that we can use CPA. Now we can rewrite the equation. Negative 3w plus negative 5 is equal to 7. Is the variable on the left? He is. Is he first? He is. Is he alone? He's not. So we're going to go ahead and zero pair out the 5. Negative 3w is equal to 12. Divide by negative 3, divide by negative 3. W is equal to negative 4. We're going to check it. Negative 5 minus 3 times negative 4 is equal to 7. When do we subtract? Never. What do we do instead? Add a line and change the sign. So now we're going to do negative 5 plus negative 3 times negative 4 is equal to 7. Negative 5 plus 12 is equal to 7. 7 is equal to 7. So our answer, W is equal to negative 4, is correct. Is the variable term on the left? He is. Is he first? He is. Is he alone? He's not. So we need to add a line and change the sign, and then we're going to zero pair out that 2. So it's going to be 12x is equal to 24. What math operation is this? It's multiplication. What's the opposite of multiplying by 12? Dividing by 12. X is equal to 2. We're going to check it. 12 times 2 minus 2 is equal to 22. 24 minus 2 is equal to 22. 22 is equal to 22, which means x equals 2. Is the variable term on the left? He is. Is he first? He's not. Because it is addition, we can go ahead and do CPA. So it's going to be 1/3 y plus 10 is equal to 1. Is the variable term on the left? He is. Is the variable term first? He is. Is he by himself? He's not. So we're going to need to zero pair out the 10 on both sides. So it's 1/3 y is equal to negative 9. Now we're going to get rid of the 3 to start with. What math operation is the 3 doing? Well, it's dividing, so the opposite of dividing by 3 is going to be to multiply by 3. And we do brother-sister rule, so we do that on both sides. We're going to multiply. That's going to leave us with 1y is equal to negative 27. Divide by 1, divide by 1, y is equal to negative 27. We're going to check it. 10 plus 1/3 times negative 27 over 1 is equal to 1. 10 plus, this is going to be negative 9, is equal to 1. So 1 equals 1, which means y must equal negative 27. Is the variable term on the left? He is. Is he first? He is. Is he by himself? No, he's not. So we add a line and change the sign so that we can zero pair out the 5. X divided by 2 is equal to 2. What math operation is the 2 doing? Division. What's the opposite of dividing by 2? Multiplying by 2. So we're going to multiply by 2, cancel out. So this is going to be x is equal to 4. We're going to check it. 4 divided by 2 minus 5 is equal to negative 3. 2 minus 5 is equal to negative 3. When do we subtract? Never. We add a line and change the sign. So 2 plus negative 5 is negative 3, which means x must equal 4. Is the variable term on the left? He is. Is he first? He's not. So we're going to have to add a line and change the sign in order to do commutative property. Now we can switch it because of the addition sign. So negative 4w plus negative 7 is equal to 13. Is the variable on the left? He is. Is he first? He is. Is he by himself? He's not. So we're going to go ahead and zero pair out the 7. So it's negative 4w is equal to 20. What math operation is this? Multiplication. How do I solve it? Division. I'm going to divide both sides by negative 4. So w is going to equal negative 5. Now I'm going to check it. Negative 7 minus 4 times negative 5 is equal to 13. I add a line and change the sign, so negative 7 plus negative 4 times negative 5 is positive 20 is equal to 13. 13 is equal to 13. So W must equal negative 5. And now you're ready for your quiz.